Welcome to the in front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and haptics. Here you can see ringtone and alert volume panel, and just if you want to mute your ringtones you should hold and swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should use the switcher to mute ringtone with the volume buttons. And now let's unmute our ringtone and let's press to the up. One moment. And let's press to the down volume button just to mute ringtone. We can make it by this way. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.